Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your quick ad on Snapchat. It's a simple process that can help you manage your privacy and control who sees you as a friend suggestion. We'll go over what quick ad is, why you might want to reset it, and the exact steps to do so. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to take charge of your Snapchat visibility and refresh your quick ad experience. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what Quick Add is all about. Quick Add is a handy Snapchat feature that suggests potential friends to you and vice versa. It uses factors like mutual friends, your phone contacts, and even your location to make these recommendations. While it's great for connecting, sometimes you might want to refresh these suggestions or control who sees your profile. Knowing how it works is the first step to effectively managing your Snapchat presence. Now, for the main event, resetting your quick ad. It's quite straightforward. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon, then the gear icon to access your settings. Scroll down until you find privacy controls and select See Me in Quick Ad. Here, you'll see a toggle. Simply turn off the Show Me in Quick Ad option. This action effectively resets your visibility. You can always turn it back on later if you change your mind. To wrap things up, remember that turning off Show Me in Quick Ad is the most direct way to manage your presence in others' suggestions. This also has the added benefit of refreshing the suggestions you see. It's a powerful tool for maintaining your privacy and curating your Snapchat experience. Always feel free to revisit your privacy settings to ensure they align with your preferences. This method is the definitive way to control your quick ad visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.